Hello, good evening. Sobke Nagaland Times News Channel te welcome kora ase aro notun thaikse kole subscribe aro share kur dibi. Khobor de local, notice, state, national aro international wise te jonai dibo. Itia ajila update sur kurbo. Aji All Nagaland College Student Union to Foundation Day celebrate kurlo ase. Report te onsu to 1979 te sur kursia aro aji 41 Foundation Day celebrate kurlo ase. Statement te Vimi Covid so onsu president koi taise itu pandemic karni itu foundation to mass gather kurina celebrate kurola paranai hulebi itu unity is strength motto to kitapi change na kurina hotai bal karni stand kurbo kurina short video clip te jonai tagise Nagalim for Christ Council of Nagalim Church to 3rd August Monday te 5th anniversary framework agreement NSN aro GOI sign kura come Thanksgiving program service lobla ase Report has up to CHQ Church Hebron te aha kali 9 am te sur kurbola ase ikato chishisu General Secretary CNC ra program lead kurina Framework agreement speech ra Mr. RH Raisin ra kobo aro closing him ra number 15 te kurina program lobola ase kwa jonai dia ase COVID-19 bishi spread hoi thaka karni this is neboto aro chairman of DTF for COVID-19 neboto to August Tribura sur grubole instruction khan public ke release kur dishe instruction days nebotote ahibole medical fitness aro movement permit to compulsory hobole ase alag district ras nebotote ahile home isolation 7 days thakbo lake koi dishe total lockdown to district te every Wednesday aro Friday te rakhibole ase kola din de dukan khan tu 7 bajura 4 baje tak kholibole ase aro proper wearing of masks aro social distance to maintain kuribole instruction te koi dishe kun itu order follow up na kuribo law hesab te action lobo goina jonai dishe aji Dimapur police Twitter report hesab to Dimapur te aha kali partly kholibole ase holebi public khan ke laki thake essential shopping te bishi rush na kuribi koina Twitter te koi dishe Aji Kaziranga National Park official khamra rhino choto bacha ekta rescue kur dishe report e Assam flood nimide manuekla na hoina jingle janwar khan bi bishi duk pai thakya pai ase official report hesab to itia tak Assam Kaziranga National Park te animals khan 100 opor mur jaise aji morning 3 to 4 days old rhino bacha ekta Kaziranga National Park staff khamra rescue kur dishe ama tajon alak hoina thakya Report observation kurina aro ama osorde rakhi dibo koi dishe aji report BCCI khan tu star cricketers khan ge 10 marks due dia nai goina khoborte koi thakise media report hesab to board of control for cricket in India BCCI 27 elite contract players khan tu first quarterly installment dues khan October 2019 right tak pa nai koina report koi thakise Total sanction amount contract cricketers khan la salte 99 crore grade hesab te di thake koi dishe aji report Bihar DGP Gudbaswar Pandit statement te koi thakise Sushant Singh Rajput death case te basic documents khan iku receive hwa nai koi dishe statement te ita tak Mumbai police khan tu postmortem report detail CCTV footage aro alak information iku dia nai koina report te koi dishe Aji report Tamil Nadu local political chamla ulayena core bot aro manukhan bishi jokhmo hoise report hesab to Twitter local group khan bishi deri chamla kuri aha Saturday rati te face off hoyena chamla sur kur dise report 25 bot 50 fishing net 25 two wheeler 4 ta gari aro 10 ta gor kan cholai dise chamla te ekjon murai dise aro bishi jokhom paina ase Police report has up to heavy force khan to deployed kur dikena 50 jon arrest kurloise district te chamla hwa karni aji khobor de India to COVID-19 bishi jai thakyan mite India Youth Congress khan to protest kuri thakise report has up to aji Union Health Minister Harish Vardhan residence New Delhi te India Youth Congress khan to COVID-19 bishi India te uthi thakya karni protest kuri thakya police aro forces khan ra loi jaise koina report e koi dise Aji latest report has up to India Home Minister COVID-19 positive hoise koina khoborte koi thakise report Home Minister Amit Shah to COVID-19 positive test paina doctor advice te hospital te admit kurna ase Report tai la Twitter te koi dagise ta la health to thike ase aro tai ke contact kura khan sob sample test kurbi koina advice kuri thagise. India COVID-19 total teletu aji 54,735 notun cases loina 17 lakh opor ho jase. Itia India te total teletu 17 lakh 50,723. Active case ra 5,67,730. Recover ra 11,45,629. Aro India te death report to 37,364 ho jase. Aji report Nepal government to tan la map revise kurina India Union Agency aro Google ke dibola ase koi dise. Khobor te minister koi thakise Nepal government to notun update map to tahan la jurisdiction aro part khan revise kurina August middle te international community aro alag khan ge ba kur dibo koi thakise. Measurement department khan to English version te 4,000 copies banai na international community khan ke ba kurbo goina jakali minister junai dise. India aro China to 90 days stand off kura hina 5th round tok aji rakhe ase. Report hesab to Eastern Ladakh chamla karni aji India aro Chinese to corps commander level talk to Maldo Chinese side line of actual control te aji rakhe ase. Khobor te meeting to 11 am te sur kurdise aro meeting te 13 week nishna face off kura aha khan kotha kura ase. Report te meeting to 4 bar loi loise aro itubra 5 bar loi ase. CNN news hesab to India khan to 40,000 soldiers Eastern Ladakh te winter spend kurbola ase koi dise. Aro ajila notun update jatibra khatam kura ase. Next episode te look kurbo so manu stay safe.